Ugao Mirapalles has been since its creation an important transit point on the trade routes between Bilbao and Castile. This connection allowed the municipality to enjoy an important relevance in its beginnings due to its location and service as an inn on the Royal Road, which also brought along harsh disputes with the city of Bilbao. Today, this privileged situation still remains thanks to the land connection services that link the municipality to the capital of Biscay, amongst which the railway services stands out. The station was inaugurated on March 1, 1863, with the opening of the Bilbao-Orduña section. This line, together with the growing strength of the metal sector, contributed to the growth of the municipality in the 19th century. Along these lines, it is also worth mentioning Talleres de Mirapalles, or the old factory, which used the railways to transport their goods. In order to cut off these ties and communications, the municipality suffered low rates from the Franco side during the Spanish Civil War. The current station is a clear example of the local architecture, a building with a rectangular base and 2 stories, made of stone and with a wide gable roof. The imposing railway bridge, which dates from the same period, is one of the most important in all of Biscay, and it was a great challenge in its time. At 110 meters long and 11 meters of height at the highest point, it is an architectural and aesthetic gem. The connection with the capital of Biscay remains to be nowadays one of the most important assets of the municipality.